In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the trademark symbol into Google Docs. If you've been wondering how to effortlessly add this symbol to your documents, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and make this super simple and clear for you. First, open your Google Docs document where you want to insert the trademark symbol. Once you have your document open, it's time to navigate to the menu at the top of the page. This menu is your go-to for most edits and adjustments in your document. Here you want to locate the Insert option. By clicking on Insert, you'll be opening up a host of possibilities to customize your document further. Next, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, look for Symbols. Clicking on Symbols will give you another set of options, where you'll then see Special Characters. This is the key area for adding any kind of non-standard text or symbols that are not found directly on your keyboard. Now, getting to the trademark symbol manually might seem daunting because there are loads of symbols to choose from. But don't worry, because there's a really handy feature to make this task easier. Within the Special Characters window, you'll notice a search bar. This search bar is an incredibly useful tool that lets you find exactly what you need without having to scroll endlessly through a long list of symbols. In the search bar, you simply need to type the word trade. As you type, Google Docs will start filtering and showing relevant results. Before you know it, the trademark symbol will appear right there in front of you. Flying through this process makes it straightforward and quick, ensuring you don't waste time trying to find the small TM symbol hidden in a sea of special characters. Once the trademark symbol shows up, just click on it and it will automatically insert itself right into the document where your cursor is placed. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully added a trademark symbol to your Google Doc without any hassle. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and useful for your future documents. If you liked this video, feel free to hit the like button, and don't forget to drop any comments below if you have questions or need further clarification on this or any other Google Docs feature. Remember, subscribing to this channel ensures that you stay updated with more easy-to-follow, helpful tutorials that make your digital tasks simpler and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.